So, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss a Pathfinder problem from the CYU sections. It is basically a work energy theorem conceptual question. So, in this question, we are given that in the arrangement shown, the middle block is initially held at rest, means this particular block, and keeping the portion of the cord between the pulley straight, and then it is released. So that we have to find the particular acceleration. It is basically somewhat shown to be in this position, like this, when it is making an angle of 90-degree from here. So we have to find particular acceleration of this at this moment. So we have to neglect the friction everywhere, means this pulley doesn't have any friction, and denote the acceleration of free fall, means the free fall acceleration as g. So basically in this now, this is the basic diagram which you need. So in this we can see that we have denoted this particular as a bob, or we can also denote it as a square, it doesn't matter. While seeing this, we know that when this mass comes down with an acceleration, the both the masses would generally go up to this point, we assume. So now we already know that while this going up with a velocity of v dash, this will come down with the velocity of v. So from the equation of string constraint, we can get the basic equation of this. So we apply string constraint. So let us take this angle likewise. So this is going v dash as in the upward direction. Assume this is as theta. This is basically this diagram. So assume this is as theta. Then we already know that the change in length would be v sine theta, as this is also theta. So while writing the equation, the string length increases, should be equal to the string length in decrease. So basically v dash would be equal to v sine theta. So from here we get an equation in terms of the v and v dash. Now we can apply the energy conservation. So energy conservation is nothing but change in potential energy plus change in kinetic energy, that is equal to 0. Now we all know that the change in particular energy for this central block, let us assume as L. Let us assume this theta. For the maximum value of theta, theta would be 95-degree. So therefore V would be root 2 of V dash. This is the main equation you will get. So let us assume this theta as 45-degree. So if this is L, this is L, this will be root 2 L, which is nothing but V sec theta, L sec theta. So from this, the potential energy for the central block would be negative of mgl, then plus, then for these two blocks it would be mgl root 2 minus 1 l. So why it is root 2 minus l? Because when taking these values, we all know that this is root 2 and it goes up, so the value it becomes root 2 minus 1 l by the equation analysis of the right angle triangle. So then now we add the kinetic energy. For the central block it is half mv square, and for the these two masses this is half mv square by 2. So half mv square by 2 we have taken because v dash is v by root 2. So half mv square by 2 we have taken. After solving this, we get a equation mv square is equal to mgl 3 minus 2 root 2. So here we from here we can derive the equation for v that comes around to be uh, 3 minus as get cancelled 3 minus 2 root 2 gl and in roots. So this is the basic equation for v we have ascribed. Now after this we know that uh, it will have some acceleration. So making a free body diagram for the central bob and the mass m. So central bob will have some tension at the upper direction as 2t sine 45 degrees and an acceleration an mg and downward acceleration. This will have an upper tension of t and acceleration above and a mass downward. So, so after solving these two equations, we get uh, we get basically writing these two equations. We get mg is minus t root 2 is equal to ma and t minus mg is equal to ma. So from here we come to the equation a plus root 2 a dash is equal to g 1 minus root 2. Now we got the first equation from here for the FBD part. Now to derive the second equation, we need to find the relation between the string constraint, or we have to link it with the string constraint. So linking with string constraint. So we all know that the string constraint is basically we have derived to be v is equal to v sine theta. So while writing it, we can write it as v is equal to v dash cosec theta. Now we have written v is equal to v dash cosec theta. Now we can do dv by dt, and after doing dv by dt, we know that dv by dash by dt is cosec theta plus minus cosec theta cot theta v dash d theta by dt v dash. So this comes to mean the formulation of a is equal to a dash cosec theta plus uh, minus theta cosec theta cot theta d theta by dt v dash. Now this d theta by dt we need to eliminate because all other terms are in the value of theta, so we can put simply 45 degree as angle theta. So for this d theta by dt, let us come again to the question. Now here you can see that whenever the velocity, the mass m is going downward, the velocity is basically changing with respect to the angle theta. So basically this angle theta is basically the angular velocity for the particular mass. So from here we know that v d theta by dt comes out to be v cos theta, as this angle becomes v cos theta. So v cos theta by, and we know that this particular value is L sec theta. So L sec theta. So that is nothing but v cos square theta by L. So putting v cos square theta by L in the particular equation. So A is equal to A dash cosec theta minus cosec theta cot theta v square v cos square theta by v cos square theta by L v dash. Now we know that theta is equal to 45 degree and v dash is equal to, sorry, v is equal to uh, 3 minus 2 root 2 gl half, and v as v dash as v sine theta. So after putting all of these in the above equation, we get a is equal to root 2 a dash minus root 2 3 minus 2 root 2 gl half upon l into l by 1 by 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2 gl 1 by 2 1 by l. So after solving this, we get a simplified equation uh, of a is equal to root a minus a dash. We can take it as in the English. A minus root 2 a dash is equal to minus 3 minus 2 uh, 2 root 2 g by 2. So this is the simplified equation. Now writing the first equation also, that is nothing but a plus root 2 a dash is equal to g 1 minus root 2. This is the first equation. Now solving for a, we know that this gets cancelled. So 2a is equal to 3g by 2 plus g. So that is nothing but so therefore the value of a comes out to be g by 4. Comes out to be g by 4. So g by 4 is the final answer for the question. So hope you have liked the particular question, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.